Hello everyone, my name is Jitinder Singh Ajad. Today we'll talk about NCERT Geography Chapter number 1, Class Ninth, India's Size and Location. Uh, we'll discuss few questions and I'll take your test of 10 questions. Let's see. Question number 1. In which part of the world India is located? Option A, West Asia, South Asia, Option C, North Asia. Option D, East Asia. You all have only 10 seconds to give answer. Please think about that. Let's see the answer. Answer is South Asia. Question number 2. Which is the highest peak of the Himalayas in India? Option A, Mount Everest. Number 2, Dholagiri. C, Anaimundi. Option D, Kanchenjunga. You all have 10 seconds. The right option is Kanchenjunga. It is the highest peak of India, which is located in Sikkim. And Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world, which is located in Nepal. Question number 3. Which parallel of latitude passes through India? Option A, Equator. Option B, Tropic of Cancer. Option C, Tropic of Capricorn. Option D, none of these. You all have 10 seconds. Answer is Tropic of Cancer. It passes through the near about mid of the country, India, and passes from 8 states of India. You all should learn the 8 states of India where from Tropic of Cancer passes. Question number 4. The Arabian Sea lies to the dash of India. अरेबियन सी इंडिया की कौन सी डायरेक्शन में है? ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, साउथ वेस्ट. Let's see the answer. That is located in the southwest. Arabian Sea located in the southwest of India. Here is the islands. Which islands are located here? There are Lakshadweep Islands. Which is the longest river of India? Option A, River Ganga, River Indus, River Brahmaputra, River Godavari. You all have 10 seconds. Yes, the length of the River Ganga is 2500 kilometer near about, and it is the longest river of India. Which strait separate Sri Lanka from India? Option A, Park Strait. Option B, Gulf of Mannar. Option C, Indian Strait. Option D, none of these. You have 10 seconds. Let me check the answer. Park Strait, yes, and there is one Gulf, that is Gulf of Mannar, also located between Sri Lanka and India. Next question, name the island group of India laying in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal located in the southeast of the country. Please think about that. That is not MCQ question. You have to tell the answer. You have to think about the answer. You have 10 seconds. Let me check the answer. Yes, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Let's start the next question. Question number 8. Which are the states located on the Arabian Sea? अब अरेबियन सी के साथ कौन सी स्टेट्स की बाउंड्री लगती है, आपने उन स्टेट्स के नाम बताने हैं. प्लीज थिंक अबाउट दिस. यू हैव 10 seconds. Try to remember the political map of India. Okay, let me check the answers. Kerala, Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Next question, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tripura. I told you in previous questions, मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर है इंडिया की 8 स्टेट्स में से पास होती है. तो इनमें से 3 स्टेट ऐसी हैं जिनमें से इंडिया के अंदर जो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास होती है, और एक ऑप्शन ऐसी है जिसमें से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर नहीं पास होती. लेट्स थिंक. Let's check the answer. Odisha. Yes. Last question. The easternmost longitude of India is. इंडिया का ईस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड इनमें से कौन सा है? 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट ईस्ट, बी ऑप्शन 77 डिग्री 6 मिनट ईस्ट, सी ऑप्शन 68 डिग्री 7 मिनट ईस्ट, डी ऑप्शन 82 डिग्री 32 मिनट ईस्ट. लेट्स थिंक अबाउट दैट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Okay, time is over. Let's see the answer. Answer is option A, 97 degree 25 minute east. Please like and subscribe my channel, Jatinder Singh Ajad. Hope you are enjoying the video and you are getting a lot of knowledge from there.